क्या बोलते हैं उसे, 1 AM टॉक्स गाइस, 1 AM टॉक्स। रात के 1 बज रहे हैं, कुत्ते भौंक रहे हैं, सब सो रहे हैं, और भाई मैं यहाँ पर चल रहा हूँ चूतियों की तरह, लाइक अ फकिंग डिसलेक्सिक मंकी। बट एनीवे, सो इस वीडियो में आई डोंट थिंक ज़्यादा व्यूज़ आने वाले हैं। आई गेस मैक्स टू मैक्स 250 views to 300 views, because I've seen that the videos I make that are actually valuable, उनमें views नहीं आते। मैंने अभी कुछ 1 महीने पहले कोई वीडियो बनाया on how much I make, right? मैंने कुछ ऐसा लिखा, how I make like 2 lakhs per month as a 16-year-old, my IQ 70 by the way, ऐसे कुछ करके मैंने वीडियो बनाया, and that video got like 12,000 views, and I can guarantee this video won't even get like 250 views, but it is what it is. I guess whether this video gets 250 views or whether this video gets 250k views, this video is going to be pretty valuable and you should watch it, क्योंकि मैंने अभी लास्ट कुछ 6-7 हफ्तों में काफ़ी गलतियाँ करी हैं that you guys should know about, and you guys shouldn't repeat that same mistake. So basically, let me give you some context if you don't know what the fuck is happening in my life, because I haven't been also posting very often. But basically, I had this appointment setting agency. I was earning on average 1.5 to 2 lakhs per month, right? मैं कमा रहा था अच्छे खासे. I also hired my friend who was working for me. I wasn't paying him shit, right? Because I was paying him like 2,000 rupees per month while he was generating me like 1.5 lakhs per month. So that was pretty good. But yeah, so I had this agency, everything was going well, but then I decided that okay, I want to get into sales, which is not a mistake, by the way. So I just decided I want to get into sales. I bought a mentorship program which is like $1,000 per month, right? तो मैंने वो program खरीदा and I just started learning sales immediately. And what I did was कि मुझे लगा जिससे मैं sales में बहुत time, like और ज़्यादा टाइम लगा पाऊँ, I'll just close down my appointment setting agency. This is what I did, ठीक है? So I closed down that agency and I just thought कि भाई यार मैं तो आर्यन मत करूँ bro, I can just do anything. हाँ, मैं 2 लाख पर मंथ कमा रहा हूँ bro. My parents respect me, I respect myself, ये सब हाँ, मैं भाई एकदम से सेल्स से भाई पैसे कमाने लगूंगा. So I actually set up a goal of making like 10k per month. I actually set up this goal of making 10k per month from sales by the end of June. ठीक है, 10k per month is 8.5 lakhs by the way, and right now I'm not even 17. मैं 17 का हूँगा अभी कुछ महीनों में. So I set this goal. तो मैंने सोचा हाँ भाई सही है, मैं तो बना लूँगा यार, मैं तो भाई आर्यन मुझ करूँ bro, like I can do anything. तो मेरी ईगो इतनी बड़ी थी ना. So मैंने ये goal set किया and I just started working towards it. But the thing is यार, I entered sales with so many preconceived beliefs and notions. So I had this big ego, ठीक है? और ये ego वाली problem मेरी हमेशा से है. I always think that I can do anything, which is good and which is also bad, ठीक है? Because I always used to think that I can do anything, you know. I never lost faith in myself and I always kept trying, even though I failed a lot, ठीक है? Before this appointment setting agency shit worked, before I started making this money, I had been doing all this since the start of 9th grade. So it took me like 2.5 years before I started earning like good cash. So this is what I did, right? I always had this ego, and when I entered into sales, I just thought कि भाई मैं एकदम से भाई अच्छे खासे पैसे कमाना start कर दूँगा, because bro मैं बहुत smart हूँ, yeah, I have a better work ethic than all these American kids, you know, I'll fucking beat them, I'll be making more than like 40-year-old sales reps, blah blah blah. तो मेरे दिमाग में ये सब था. And the thing is ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, because I'm a fucking dumbass. I am nobody, I'm a fucking dumbass. I rushed into the process, ठीक है? I tried to get like myself placed into a sales offer as fast as possible, I fucked up a lot, and basically I took very short-term decisions. And if you know anything about business and anything about life, short-term decisions are the worst. Short-term decision is a synonym to bad decisions, because let me tell you something, short-term decision ना तो long-term में अच्छे होते हैं, and I've seen वो ना तो short-term में अच्छे होते हैं. Short-term में भी वो चूतिया decisions ही होते हैं. So I don't even know why they call them short-term decision. Just call them a bad decision. Always take long-term decisions, by the way. The moment I started taking long-term decisions, I started making money immediately. And I actually talked about this in one of my videos that I made like 2 to 3 months, like 2 or 3 months back. I actually talked about this, और मैं अपनी खुद की advice ही नहीं follow कर रहा था, which is pretty shit, right? And basically यही हुआ. I rushed into the process. I started taking dumb short-term decisions. ये सब हुआ, and then I got frustrated that okay, it's been 6 weeks since I have like entered into the sales thing. Why the fuck am I not making money? तो मैं और dumb decisions लेने लगा, मैं और frustrated हो गया. I started slacking, I started wasting a lot of time, and the thing with me is that अगर मेरी एक domain of life चूतिया होता है तो मेरे बाकी domains भी वैसे ही चूतिया हो जाते हैं. तो मेरा वो तो चूतिया हो ही रहा था, साथ में मैं पढ़ाई भी नहीं कर रहा था. I wasn't even going to the gym. I was just fucking up my life for the past few weeks because I was in this constant cycle of getting frustrated, then like getting motivated, कि भाई मैं करूँगा bro, मैं I am Aryan Mutkal bro, this blah blah blah, like fucking hell भाई मैं नहीं हूँ कुछ. So I was in this constant cycle, and I was basically fucking up myself. I was taking short-term decisions, और उसका एक reason पता है क्या था? I was afraid, honestly, I was afraid कि अगर मैंने पैसे कमाने बंद कर दिए for like let's say for a period of 3 months, what the fuck am I going to do? Because you know, for like I have always tied up my identity with money. Honestly, when I was making a lot of money, जब मैं कुछ ज़्यादा कमा नहीं रहा था, तो मैं अपने को बहुत बुरे नज़रिए से देखता था. My self image was pretty fucked up. Same thing भाई, I always used to think कि अगर मैं पैसे नहीं कमाऊँगा बहुत अच्छे तो मेरे माँ बाप मुझे ऐसे प्यार नहीं करेंगे. और मेरे माँ बाप by the way, like unconditional love, what the fuck do you call it? Unconditionally तो love प्यार करते हैं मुझसे, I think so. Yeah, I just thought that कि ऐसे लोग मुझे respect नहीं करेंगे if I'm not earning a lot, if I'm not earning a money at this young age. I mean ऐसा तो है कि अगर तुम पैसा नहीं कमा रहे तो फिर कोई respect नहीं करेगा. But most of all it was like मैंने खुद की दिमाग में image बना दी थी that I am making like 2 lakhs per month, which is a pretty shit image because मेरी दिमाग में बस वही चल रहा था. And the thing was I used to make videos on like how much I make and shit. तो उसकी वजह से मेरी ये इमेज बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग थी, और मुझे डर लग रहा था कि अगर मैंने जल्दी से जल्दी सेल्स से पैसे नहीं कमाए, तो भाई तो what the fuck am I going to say on YouTube that bro I'm not earning anything right now, this I will lose all my credibility. And let me tell you something, right now I'm not earning shit. My last payment was like a week ago, और मैंने क्योंकि वो एजेंसी अभी 10 दिन पहले बंद कर दी, तो भाई I'm not even going to like, क्या बोलूँ भाई मैं, fuck. It's just don't take short-term decisions. I got into this sales space, ठीक है. Sales is a skill. एक skill को भाई करने में like समझने में time लगता है. And I was just rushing into the process, which honestly just fucked me up. ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. I was rushing into the process and I had this dumb identity, और this I was just afraid कि अगर मैंने पैसे कमाने बंद कर दिए, मैं खुद की रिस्पेक्ट करना बंद कर दूंगा, मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करना बंद कर देंगे, यूट्यूब पे लोग मेरी रिस्पेक्ट करना बंद कर देंगे. I just had this fear, which is honestly true. Because before I used to make like, I think मैं रिपीट कर चुका हूँ but मैं वापस करूँगा. मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है, ये मेरा वीडियो है by the way. Before I used to make like any sort of money, मेरी खुद की like self image बहुत fucked थी. Like I used to look at myself as a loser, ठीक है. But I also used to look at myself कि भाई मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. तो बहुत मेरा fucked up perception था खुद के ऊपर. Yes, exactly. Fuck. So what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to yap is for the past 10 minutes is don't like क्या बोलूँ यार, I don't even know how to articulate it, but अपनी आइडेंटिटी भाई पैसे से मत जोड़ पहली चीज़, एंड डोंट टेक शॉर्ट टर्म डिसीजंस एंड डोंट रश इनटू द प्रोसेस, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज लाइक मैं हमेशा इससे जीता था कि भाई आई लाइक यू शुड बी इम्पेशेंट. ठीक है, मुझे पेशेंस कभी पसंद ही नहीं, बिकॉज आई वॉज लाइक इफ़ यू आर इम्पेशेंट then it will create urgency and you will do things faster, and if you do things faster then the business environment will reward you. मेरा हमेशा से ये माइंडसेट था, और ये माइंडसेट ने अभी मुझे थोड़ा फक अप कर दिया, समझ रहे हो? I was taking dumb decisions, I was just doing dumb things, and I was just fucking up myself. So yeah, these are the two things. Don't associate your identity with money or anything monetary, or just, what was the second point? जो भी second point था मैं भूल गया अब. भाई I have a test tomorrow. मैंने कुछ पढ़ा भी नहीं है. I mean English का टेस्ट है तो कुछ क्या फ़र्क पड़ रहा है. Fuck भाई. It's kind of painful, you know, to make this video, क्योंकि honestly मेरी ये इमेज बनी हुई थी. हाँ, लोग मुझे वैलिडेट कर रहे थे that I'm making this money at this young age, blah 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 blah. But honestly, right now I am a nobody. Seriously, I'm a nobody right now. I have no credit, like क्या बोलते हैं उसे, credibility. I have no credibility. I have lost all my credibility. I have lost honestly all respect for myself. लेकिन मैं तब भी hard work करूँगा, and I guess by the end of this year I will achieve my goals, because I think I should give myself a realistic time frame. The time frame I gave myself was like, I'm going to achieve this goal of 8 lakhs per month, by the way. 8 lakhs per month by the end of June, which is a very unrealistic time frame. लेकिन मुझे लगा भाई ये अगर मुझे मोटिवेट करेगा, ये urgency create करेगा, ये मुझे मोटिवेट करेगा, and I'll just achieve this goal faster. But all of this is just bullshit. This is just bullshit. सब बकचोदिया. Yeah, so these are some of my mistakes. I'm not in a good point of life right now. I mean, ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई मेरे माँ बाप मर गए. I mean, ना मरे ओके. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई मेरी ज़िंदगी पूरी बर्बाद हो गई है, लेकिन I expected more from myself, और मैंने खुद को fuck up कर दिया, and now I don't respect myself. And हाँ, बस यही है. Fuck, जो भी है.